Wait just 1 second. This WordPress alternative will blow your mind. This is JxtPress, a WordPress alternative that's powered by Node.js, Nuxt, and Vue, and it's designed to be extendable through plugins, yet full-featured, out of the box with e-commerce, user and group management, conditional and dynamic block rendering, SEOs, and a runtime template compilation. With JxtPress, managing your website is as simple as drag and drop, specify conditions to hide or show blocks, set layouts, and it also has form and user data collections. Finally, JxtPress, extensible power and freedom. But why? So the premise behind JxtPress is simple. There should be a WordPress alternative for Node.js, and that is going to be JxtPress. And JxtPress is designed to have higher feature sets out of the box compared to WordPress that allows website owners to have full functionality and control over their website without having to pay huge premiums on a monthly basis or on a yearly basis just to be able to have basic functionality that should come with the website outright. And if you believe and support this mission, please join us by supporting us financially through GoFundMe. A link will be provided very soon. And as well, look out for a copy of JxtPress on GitHub here coming in February 2024. Thank you so much. We're so excited for this release. It's been a year-long efforts to bring this to fruition. So more than excited, JxtPress, power and flexibility.